Brooksaw Antiques here. Today we have this 1957 Smith Corona Clipper vintage portable typewriter. I'm going to show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. Up top are the margins. This is your left margin. I'm going to set that around 0 and the right one around 75. That's about the length of a page. And this is the paper bale, sits on top. It's got 2 adjustable rollers, helps hold the page down. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin. You hit the find space, gets you back to the beginning, and skips 1, 2, or 3 spaces. Right now we have it on single, but if you want double, you just flip the switch back 1, skips 2, 1 more, skips 3. That works good. We're going to keep that on single for now and finish typing. As you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them skip or stick. I'll type a sentence in red on the next line and switch from black to red. There's a switch on the right side here. Flip it all the way down to the red dot. It prints the bottom portion of the ribbon. When you have it in the middle, it doesn't print any ink at all. It just leaves a stencil for copying purposes. And when you have it on top, it prints the top portion of the ribbon, which is black. We're going to move that down for red. Beautiful. The Clipper is very popular. It sounds kind of different than most typewriters. It sounds like Clipper. It's kind of hard to explain, but it's a little quieter than most typewriters too. So it doesn't have that branding of being quiet. It is quiet, and it sounds really good. It's very reliable. This is probably one of the most reliable, popular typewriters of all time. Daily typer. If you want to just write your notes or whatever on this, and this is great for that. Very reliable, lasts forever if you take care of it. To pull the page out easy, there's a switch on the right side here. Unlocks the rollers underneath the platen, allowing you to pull the page out easier or load thicker paper like carbon copy or cardstock. Make sure you flip that back before you load the next page or else it won't load correctly. You've got a shift on each side, a shift lock on the left. To clear that, just hit the shift button again. Backspace on the left side. So just to reiterate, if you buy anything brand new or newish, it's gonna be made with a lot of plastic in it. This is all metal. Not cast iron or anything like that. Metal. Very well designed, and Smith Corona knew what they were doing in this time frame. Later models aren't as good as these 50s models. Really nice. The green keys with the gray, just really nice. Backspace on the left side here. We're gonna put that color back to black so the next time we prints black. MR stands for margin release. You get to the end of the margin. It blocks you from typing. You hit that MR button. It allows you to go all the way to the end. Open the hood. All the brand new ribbons loaded on the left, so it's pulling to the right. And if you want to switch that direction, right above the backspace here on the left side, there's a little lever. Flip that up. It'll pull counterclockwise to the left. You flip it down. It pulls clockwise to the right. That's a good direction because all the brand new ribbons on the left. And you might have a situation to where it's pulling to the wrong side, or one side's all used up and it jams up your vibrator, and you think that you got a bad typewriter, you want to send it back. All you got to do is switch that direction. This is your touch control right here from low to high. Low to the right, high to the left. That builds tension. There's a spring down there that loads tension on the keys when you hit them. The higher you go, the more tension there is. You do have to hit the keys harder when the tension's high. So be careful with that. They do respond faster, so more faster typers would use that. Carriage release. Now this is one of my favorite functions. The knobs are made out of plastic. I do have replacements, I believe, for this. I know I have them for the black Clipper, the older Clipper. This carriage release is very well designed. The later models of the Smith Corona make them plastic and they break all the time. So if you do have a later model and you need replacement plastic ones, I have them in my shop. This is your carriage release. No, your carriage lock. So if you lift that up and you lock it in the middle for when it's in the case. This one specific machine I don't have a case for, but it'll lock it when it's in the case so you don't damage the escapement. It's also considered an escapement throw out. Carriage release on this side as well, very nice. And if you pull this little lever out, it'll disable the spacing. So you can get to an exact spot on the page, you push it in, you get those clicks, each one of those clicks is one space. Same concept with this lever. Actually, the Clipper does not have that lever on the inside. Some of the other Smith Coronas have a lever right here. You push it down and it'll disable the spacing. Push it up, it brings it back to normal. And that's it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.